welcome to Horseshoe Valley and Highland Drive. Man, if you love hiking, skiing, mountain biking, rock climbing, any of the above, you will love it here. If you love taking your family out in the trails for walks, this is the place for you. This place is absolutely gorgeous. You are gonna love it. It's an architect's dream. Let's go in and check it out because I think you guys are gonna love it. Located right near this beautiful listing on Highland Drive is Horseshoe Valley Memorial Park. So if basketball is your thing, tennis is your thing, there is the Oro Medante Tennis Club, there's a gazebo, there's a play area, and even pickleball, one of my favorites.